Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. The form for Intelligence Bureau ACIO 2020 has come and they have announced 2000 vacancy. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can prepare for this examination. What should be your 50 days preparation strategy to clear IB ACIO 2021. So this is going to be a very informative video for this examination. Before discussing the preparation strategy, let us understand some important points related to Intelligence Bureau ACIO job. So it is a Group C job of central government. It is a non-gazetted, non-ministerial job and Home Ministry issues the notification for this job. This year total 2000 vacancy have been announced. It comes at level 7 in terms of pay matrix. So it starts from 44,900 and one will get 20% security allowances. So one will get between 65 to 70k. It's an initial start. Definitely every year or after certain time you will get increase in this pay. So that is the overall structure. To fill the form for Intelligence Bureau ACIO, one should have graduate or one should have equivalent degree to graduate. And age limit is 18 to 27 years, so that is also very important. There are restrictions for OBC and SC/ST candidate. So this is very important point. Please remember these things, guys. If you are under this age bracket, you can fill this form 18 to 27 years. If you are in general category, if you are under OBC 30 years, and if you are in a SC/ST, then you can fill this form till 32 years. So this is the overall thing in terms of qualifications. Before discussing the preparation strategy, let us understand the exam pattern. It will have 3-tier selection process. The first tier will have 5 sections and each section will have 20 questions. So total 100 questions will be there and you will be given 1 hour to complete this paper. The first section will be general awareness. The second section will be quantitative aptitude. The third is reasoning, logical reasoning. The fourth is general English and the fifth is general studies. So basically these 5 sections will be there. In coming videos we will be discussing in the detail what all will be there in this section. After clearing the tier 1, one will qualify for tier 2. In tier 2 the paper will be descriptive in nature and it will have 50 marks. Essay will be there for 30 marks and 20 marks will be there for précis and comprehension. So this is the tier 2 and tier 3 is interview and it has 100 marks. Tier 2 have 50 marks and tier 1 have 100 marks, and final merit list will be prepared after calculating the marks of all tier. So this is very important. You have to focus on all tier. It's not only tier 2 and interview marks will be calculated. Tier 1 marks will be also calculated in final merit list. Now there are some cutoff marks. For tier 1, for general category, the cutoff marks is 35. One has to minimum get 35 marks out of 100. After that, merit list will be prepared. It's not all the people who will get the 35 marks will be eligible. After that, merit list will be prepared and then you will be eligible to write tier 2 and 10 times the number of vacancies will be selected for tier 2. So total 20,000 students will be selected for tier 2 and in tier 2 5 times of total vacancy. So basically 10,000 students will be called for interview and the minimum marks one has to get in tier 2 is 17. So that is also very important, and the final merit list will be based on in the performance in tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. So this is the overall exam pattern for Intelligence Bureau ACIO. Now we will discuss the preparation strategy. Educare 247 has launched the course for IB ACIO 2020. In this course, topic-wise video lecture for quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning and general English will be there. Easy, moderate and difficult level questions will be there and these questions will be topic-wise. Notes and MCQs related to Indian history, Indian polity, Indian economy, Indian geography and general science will be there. 1 year current affairs along with MCQs will be there. Sample essay and descriptive English will be there. Live session will be conducted for doubt clearing and descriptive English. The course fee is 2499. Currently we are giving 50% discount. The actual price is 5000, but currently you'll get this course in 2499. Please subscribe this course. It will be very useful for your IBACIO preparation. We have analyzed the previous year questions and now we have come up with the preparation strategy. What all you have to cover in coming 50 days. In quantitative aptitude, 2-3 questions from number system will be there. 1 or 2 questions related to percentage will be there. Again for profit 1 or 2 questions will be there. Again for average 1 or 2 questions will be there. Simple and compound interest 3 to 4 questions were there in the previous year papers. Ratio and proportion is also very important topic. Time, speed and distance is important topic. Time and work is important topic. The topics in blue boxes are very important, but if you have time you can go through geometry and mensuration, logarithm, mixture, permutation and combination, progression and probability. So in green boxes these are not very important. If you have completed these topics then only go for the topic which is in green boxes. For logical reasoning, the term has been mentioned numerical, analytical and logical ability. So basically number series will be there because they have mentioned numerical ability as well. Coding, decoding will be there, direction sense will be there, blood relation will be there, coded inequalities will be there, syllogism will be there, input output questions were there in previous year paper, ranking direction will be there, clocks and calendar will be there, 1 or 2 questions related to data sufficiency will be there. So these are the important topic guys. You can plan your preparation according to these topics. In coming 50 days these topics should be your focus topic, then only you can score good marks in IBACIO. As far as English is concerned, vocabulary, idioms and phrases is very important. Out of 20 questions, 10 plus questions will be there from these two topics. Then error spotting will be there, some incorrect sentence will be there and you have to spot the error. Incomplete sentence will be there and fill in the blanks. You have to fill the blanks for incomplete sentences. Word pair matching will be there, so that is related to vocabulary only. So you can see that vocabulary has huge weightage. 10 to 12 questions minimum will be there from vocabulary, idioms, phrases and word pair. So this is for general English guys. Under general studies, Indian polity, Indian economy, Indian history, Indian geography, general science and government schemes will be asked. This we have seen in previous year questions. Question related to these topics have been asked. In our courses we have covered all these topics along with MCQ which will help you to crack IBACIO. Under general awareness, two types of questions will be there. One is current affairs related and another is static thing. In current affairs, economy, polity current affairs will be there. Some science and tech current affairs will be also there. And some generic current affairs like awards in news, sports in news, important dates, important person in news, events and submits in news. So these things will be there. And in static general awareness, national parks in India, books and author, capital, currency, country will be there, important places and dams in India will be there. So this is overall for general awareness. You have to prepare current affairs as well as static portion. Both will be there. This was 50 days preparation strategy for IBACIO 2020. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment. Thank you and happy learning.